So this is the hypersonic Android infotainment system which I have fixed an Ultros XE base variant, so which we will not get a music player in a stock from Tata. So we need to set aftermarket music system. So I found this hypersonic little bit futuristic. So I just bought this audio system. So let's get into it, like how the speakers are working fine. And I just used focal speakers. And the front, the coaxial speakers are fixed, and at the back, the component speakers are fixed. So I didn't use the subwoofer, but even though you can get a full uh, bass, like when you try to hear any songs, you can hear the bass and you can feel the sound or the realistic music how it is. Inbuilt Android for 8.1, so it is having a normal mobile phone usages. So these are the so you will have a drop down menu, so where you can go to Wi-Fi. This is Android 8.1. Let me go to settings and show you. You can see here it is Android version 8.1, and let's go to the menu. This is the menu. It will just looks like an Android phone. So these are the basic apps which I have did installed. So initially, let's go to YouTube. I have just connected to my hotspot. You need to connect to your hotspot and you can use this good music. So I'm just playing this video. It's just fast. So this is a basic normal speakers which I haven't uh, fixed any subwoofers, specific subwoofers in this sound system. The only the thing is I just have 4 speakers and 4 tweeters. This is what I installed. But the brand of the speaker really matters when you need a good bass for any song. So the company which I have installed is Focal. So obviously you can just check for the brands or reviews or whatever the information is what you need. All these informations are given as a quite good thing or a good reviews about this Focal speakers. So I just installed the Focal, and I didn't expect that this much bass effect will be there in this speakers alone, because I was about to install a separate subwoofer for this with an amplifier for the sound system. But as of now I'm not planning to do it because it is having a good bass, because I love bass music. So it is quite good for navigation. You have a shortcut menu over here, shortcut icon. You can just tap on it, it will open up a Google. It just works as an Android device, exactly like an Android device. I'm just searching randomly. So
You should reach your destination by 6:10 p.m.
I'm sorry, I didn't reduce. Same, you will have all the apps running in the background. You need to close this as an Android. And in this small car, do you see a car over here? So if you turn on the headlight, it will also turn on the headlight for it. Turn on the lights now. Did you see it? I just turned it off. Turn on, off. This is the radio. So I'm in Chennai. Of course, Tamil songs. So it is having the normal menu items. Here the Bluetooth system where you can call the numbers or do whatever you want. So while you talk, like, you need a mic to respond to the other person, right? So the mic is placed here. This is the mic. This thing is the mic. It is able to hear all the voices, or like the voice is clear and everything is perfect. And this is the contacts, or I didn't have anything. And this is music track. This is my phone which is connected. If you want to add your phone, you can just press on this or press on the search, and it will search the settings, of course. And let me move to this, and I will show you some videos. It's copied over here, copied some of the songs. Do you see the songs? So these are the basic things. This is a shortcut for playing the music. If you just tap on it, it will play from your internal memory. Yeah, it will play from your internal memory. Like, it is 16 GB of internal memory and 2 GB of RAM. This is the specification. And also I can show you the settings. Here in the settings, these are the custom levels which I have kept for my speakers, so you can customize as per your information. And the system information, these are the system information which I got it. It is Android version is 8.1, and all of the things are like RAM is 2 GB, internal is 16 GB. That is what I know. Like, apart from this, and I'm not sure about this internal car specifications. The display is 1024 into 600. So this is the highest resolution where you can't see the 4K videos and all. But of course, like, if you try to play it from YouTube, it will not show you the resolution of 4K, but it will show you up to 24 into 600 resolution. So obviously it is fine for a car factory setting, but you will have some options. I'll just put in the password. Oops. So if you enter, you can have the settings. The password will be given when you buy this device. I just changed my password. So these are the settings. Like, you will have all the informations over here. Touch settings, the reboot option. If you want to reboot it, the reboot option is here. Touch is not working fine, you can calibrate it over here in this touch settings. The USB settings are there, like 1 or 2 USB ports you want or not. The touch settings, the color settings, like GPS settings. These are the like common settings where you can just click on this refresh button. It will calibrate your GPS settings, and it will show you your exact GPS location. Your car has an inbuilt GPS location if you are connected to your internet connection. And the volume settings, it is for the media. The basic volume will be 7 when you turn off and on the car, and the call settings will be 17. So I just kept as for my wish. And for the mixing ratio, as you know, all the things. And this is for the brightness. It is like the backlight off or on, and also at the night time how much brightness you want. At the daytime I want full, and at the night time, like when you turn on the light, it is night time. So once I turn on, you can see the difference. This is on, I just turn on the headlight. This is off, this is on, and this is off. If you want a full, so okay, if I turn on now, it is turned on, so you won't feel any changes. The settings, this is for the navigation. For navigation, which app you should use, but the apps to use for navigation, you can install it and you can choose it over here. Steering learn. I don't have options in the steering. It is a base variant, so I don't want this. In future, if I need, I can just configure it. This is logo setting. This is the best part. This is a kind of entertainment or the good thing where you have here. If you choose internal logo, you will have all kind of logos which you have. So you need to choose what logo you want to add for your car. But the sad thing is we don't have Tata. It is for the float bar on and off. Like you have a option over here. If you turn off, it will go. If you turn on, it will be there. And this is for handbrake and all these reverse settings. And the main thing, I need to show you the reverse camera, right? So I'll just apply the reverse gear now. This this is the camera which I have installed. This is Blob Punt. That is the company name which I have installed. It is 2,500 rupees for the camera alone. It is an HD camera, and you have a mirror option over here. So if you open this app, it will show you an app name in order to install it on your phone. I just installed it, so you can have an tether option. So mirroring will be there. You can use, even I just played PUBG in my mobile phone, and I can mirror in my car. So in the future, if you need any other video to I need to play PUBG on this device by mirroring my phone, please do comment below so that I could go out and make another fresh video for you. So for all the mobile phones, we have iPhone platform, Android platform, as well as if you use your USB connection, you can use it over this. So I exit this. This is Spotify which I'm using, Ghana, VLC, YouTube. Spotify, I already played some music. I will go here. I will just play this music and listen to the bass effect if you want. Play.
चले जब तू लटक मटक लौंडों के दिल पटक जैसे खाने में बस तू बटर खाए तुम बिकी टिकट टिकट काटू तेरी टिकट टिकट खेलता नहीं क्रिकेट विकेट पर ले लो तेरी विकेट विकेट.
So this is the sound quality again. I checked, and it is having a calculator. Yeah, it is having the main thing. Of course, I'm in south side. You will have this kind of movies. தலைவர். Let's close all the application. It is good, man. 2 GB RAM is very sufficient for me to play all these apps at a same time. In the future, like if you want any other modifications needs to be done in the Ultros, please do comment below so that I can go ahead and check whether I can make those changes. And also there are lot videos will be coming up for the modification of Ultros, because I'm going to modify some of the light, the ambience light, or the headlamps, or the projector lights, or the door lights, or whatever the light it may be. I'm going to do some more modifications in the upcoming videos. Please do comment below like what are the things like which you want to upgrade in this car, because this is a base variant car which I'm going to make it as a high budget end car. So it is having the armrest which suits the seat color. So if you haven't seen the basic video before the modifications, go to my channel, see for the first video. I just made a basic video that will not be that much clarity video that was made in my mobile phone. So just go and see that. You will have an idea like how the basic variant looks like without any modifications, and after that you can come into this, view the interior like how I just modified. So in case if you need more modifications, you can go ahead and make modifications in your car, and do leave a link for your video if you are going to upload it in the YouTube. I will go ahead and watch, and I will make it as per as if it is possible. This is a good touch, man. Thanks for watching, guys, and please do comment and share this video to your friends and show what can be done next. I'll see you in the upcoming video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.